finale. If you're competitive, you love beading, and you love a great deal, this one is for you. We threw together a combination of beads for you that is worth about $140 for yours for $79.99, and you get an opportunity to submit your designs to get voted on by community members to win up to $250 in prizes. Make sure that you get your collection, enter to win, and we can't wait to see what you can create. Let me show you what's in the box. All right, I'm gonna unpack this coastal breeze for you so you know what you've got going on. Again, entries are due by the 22nd of July and voting starts on the 27th. Got a beautiful strand of gemstones, some 2mm pearls, some crystal rondelles, some Czech rondelles in bigger sizes, fun Athena cast spacer washer beads, some more small tiny crystals to add to the vibe. I love these. These are some little tiny beads of the Athena cast, a crystal oval. Couple different selections of some seed beads here for you to work with. Beautiful starfish charms, again, go with that coastal theme. An 18mm rivoli to create with. Some storm duos, Potomac pearls, more crystals, Czech glass, and halo bead. Get it started, let's see what you come up with, and hopefully you win the $250 prize. Are you gonna make a necklace? Are you gonna make earrings? Are you gonna make a pendant? Are you gonna make an elaborate bracelet that you've never challenged yourself to do before? We can't wait again to see your submissions. Make sure to get them in by July 22nd. Once you purchase the Coastal Breeze collection, you get an email with links to that as well as information in your collection too. Thanks so much for joining us, and I can't wait to see all of your amazing community creations.